As the tide's rolling in today, lots of interesting things. There's like a major grasshopper and cricket invasion on the beach. I don't know, can you see those? It's like they're everywhere, all these crickets. And there's also little mini jellies. Oh, here's one right here. They're kind of like all over the place. See that? Oh boy, looks like maybe a turtle has washed up ashore. So sad. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, he's got a split down his back. He probably got cracked in a propeller prop. That's too bad. Eesh, looks like an alien creature. And 24 hours later on the beach are the vultures. And you can see over there that they have pretty much got that turtle down to just a shell. And he's kind of spread out. The circle of life on the beach in Ecuador. Pretty spectacular day here on the coast. It's been overcast. The temperature is really warm, not hot. Great breeze coming off the ocean, but just been walking the beach. Oh my gosh, it's just fantastic. Lots of birds and things on the beach to see. See some fishermen out there in their boat. Just a real